project management software. For assignment 3 in advanced project planning and control subject, we have been assigned to do a review and analyzation process for a project management software. The project management software which has been assigned to me is Wrike software. The Wrike software is a powerful work management or project management software, which helps in doing the small projects and large projects, as well as there are some store opening projects which you can do with Wrike software. Other than that, let's start with the review and analyzation process. Let's start with logging in into the process, into the software. So here I'm going to put my email ID. And you have to click next. And I have already made an account with Wrike before, so I'm just gonna put my password over here and it will allow me to log in. So yes, remember me. As soon as you enter into the project management software, the Wrike software, you'll see this kind of interface, and I will quickly go on the right side where you will have some settings. This settings allows you to set or change your name, your company name, your job title, etc., and some workspace settings such as language, time zones, time format, date format, etc. And other than that, you can even change your password too if you want. And then later on, as soon as you are done with this part, you can just go back to the right by clicking on the left corner. It will take you back to the Wrike software itself. And after that, what all you can do is you can just quickly go into the space. This is a place where you can add your projects. For example, I'll show you how to do it. You can add the space over here, and you can, if you have anything already planned, like if you're working on a project, you can select the project. If there are some requests, you can add requests, you can add pull tracking, agile sprints, marketing campaigns, etc. But if you're not sure what you are going to do, then you can just add blank. This blank will allow you to do your work depending on your need. So what all we do is we'll start with the projects and tasks. So I'm selecting this one, and what it does is it will create a template for you to work on a project. Like you can just, with the one click, you'll have a template ready on your hand. So this is what the Wrike software does for you. It will make a template for you. You can add more tasks if you want. You can add like few more tabs. For example, just click on this plus sign over here. You can create a different view. Like for example, we're gonna create a Gantt chart view over here. I'm just gonna put a Gantt chart over here, and I'll just select this chart, and then I'll click on create. And as soon as I click on it, you can just see over here, you can see that your Gantt chart has been already made. So what all you have to do is you have to go to this place, like just below the inbox, you have to add a space, and in space you can just select a project or type of project you want to work on. And later on, and here you have another option too, you can share this project with other people if you want. So that's not a priority as of now. So we're gonna start with the Gantt chart. So this is a big, this is a stuff basically which you want to work on. If you want to like work on the on your Gantt chart, you can just add it over here. And then if you want, you can see your analytics too, which is the overall representation of your project, how many people has been assigned to the project, etc. Other than that, I'll show you how to assign people on the project. So first of all, we'll just click on the task, like project kick off, and um, then you can just add a description. For example, for project kickoff meeting, let's say our meeting is going to be on 3rd 3rd of August. Our meeting is going to be on 3rd of August. You can add this part over here, and then as soon as you do it, you can add few more tasks if you want. If you want the sub items like level 2, level 3, you can add those tasks over here, and then you can add some files if you want and add a comment. And other than that, you can even change your status depending on the need of the project, like depending on the current task workflow. You can change it to in review, in progress, completed, etc. I'll give you an example. Like if you select completed over here, you can see that there is a notification which pops up. Like even if you are working on a mobile, like an Android device or iOS device, will quickly get a notification of change status. So that's a powerful tool. So as soon as you assign someone the task, for example, I'm assigning it to the other person, and then the task has been assigned, and you can see the comments has been shown over here, and you can add few more comments if you want, like updated by MOHAMMED, and then you can send, and everyone, those who have been assigned to this project, will this task will get the notification. And yeah, that's pretty much about this one. And then you can do the same for rest of them too. Like depending on your need, you can just change the status. Like if you want to change the status, just you can do it like this. And if you want to assign someone, you can just assign it from the list or invite by an email if you want. You can add the description, you can add comments if you want. And that's pretty much, that's an easy part of the software. That's how Wrike works. The other best part of the Wrike is you can add few more columns if you want. You can just add, if you want, which task is important, you want to see that, you can just open this up and you will have another importance column over here. And if you want, you can just double click on that and you can change the priority. Like you can just make it to high importance task. That's how it works. It's an easy way to do it. And I've already shown you how views works. Like you just have to click on plus sign and you can just select one of these, and that's how it works. And one more feature of this Wrike is when you share a file over here, the other party doesn't have to download it. The other party could just open the file and edit it, and a few more people can work on it too, and there won't be any problem if simultaneously 2 to 3 people or few more people are working on a particular file. So it is um, pretty good software which helps you work on a single file um, with as many as people. Like there is no specific number, but yeah, at least 4 people can work at a time on a particular file if without one person have to close it. So that's basically how a SharePoint works. That's how it works. So after that, we are done with this. And in inbox, you can send invitations. You can see which um, notifications has been sent. You can see over here in inbox and sent one. And if they sent any notifications, you'll get it over here incoming, or you can send invitations to the team members or and start collaborating. Other than that, that's a pretty decent software which will help you uh, work easily on your project. A powerful tool which is easy to work and easily available on your Android device, on your desktop, on your Mac, on your iOS. You can download it anywhere and you can just put it on your taskbar and you can easily use it. And that's how it works basically. So after doing that, you can just apps and integrations. You can just go into apps and integrations. You can add authorization to the other apps like mobile apps, etc., like Wrike apps, etc. You can add few more other third-party apps like Documents, MS Documents, and Adobe Reader, etc. to work on. And then the other collaboration software, like you can work Wrike app with Slack, and then on desktop you have Android app, you have Windows and Mac, you have iOS app too for Wrike, uh, Wrike for iOS too. So yeah, that's pretty cool about it. And then once you are done with your work, at the end of the day, you can just um, log out from here and that's how it works.